Hi guys. So I have these Festool tracks that were just sitting in a corner up against the wall. Well, that's no good. So I 3D printed this. So 3 of the tracks will go in here. They will stand on this. And the other 2, they can't really stand, so they're just gonna freely hang on the side. And I'm going to put it kind of at this level so I still have access to the electricity here. Let's get going. Whoops, that's a stupid mistake. They're leaning a little forward, and the more weight I will put, the more they will lean, so I have to reprint the bottom part. Put an angle to it. All right, I'm off to do that. All right, I'm done with the print. So here's the old one. It's bending under all the weight. Here's the new one. First of all, I printed it with this big angle. Second of all, this side leans up at 1 degree, pushing the tracks up against the wall. Let's install it, try it out. There we have it. It's perfect, just what I wanted. It's off the ground, so I can vacuum and clean. It's nicely positioned on the wall. This turned out great. Yeah, the print came out fine. Everything is in place. The bottom is good. And it's pretty stable. It's very nice. All right, see you guys in the next one.